lovely. Today I'm going to be making some beef stew. This is kind of a nice meal to have for maybe Christmas Eve, but beef stew is a great dish throughout the year. It's a great winter dish. Now, the cooking technique and recipe I used, I would not consider to be low energy friendly, but the nice thing about this type of dish is you can prepare it, on a day when you have a little bit more energy. It makes a nice big batch, and then you can just like freeze it and reheat it, and you don't really have to cook for a few days. So that's one nice thing about it. In this bowl, I've got 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of, well, I used onion powder, but the recipe calls for garlic powder. I didn't have garlic powder on hand. There is also half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper.